sea spray splashed sideways, slamming slippery sandbars, scattering scuttling scallops between seething sea-slick seams. You try. Okay, time to do that faster. Sea spray splashed sideways, slamming slippery sandbars, scattering scuttling scallops between seething sea-slick seams. There we go. Wasn't that easy, was it? But do let me know how well you did. I'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and of course, join me again tomorrow for another of your favourite tongue twisters.